Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main 2020 7th of January question, Shift 1, question number 8. fx is continuous and differentiable in x belongs to -7, 0 closed interval. F dash x is equal to less or equal to 2 for all x belongs to -7, 0. Also f of -7 is equal to -3. Then the range of f of -1 plus f of 0 is equal to what? 4 options are given. Now moving to the problem. First we plot the interval. It is -7 and it is 0. Here -1 is the point. fx, the function is continuous and differentiable, and also x belongs to a closed interval -7, 0 and f dash x less or equal to 2. This all statements shows that it is a Lagrange mean value theorem. So we apply Lagrange mean value theorem in the interval -1 to 7 or -7 to 1. In the interval we apply Lagrange's mean value theorem. F of -1 minus f of -7 divide -1 minus of 7 is equal to f dash c. From the statement of the theorem, that implies f of -1 minus f of -7 is equal to -3 given. So this is -3 and it is 6, and that is less or equal to f dash c. F dash x is equal to it is less or equal to f dash x given 2. So it is 2. Then applying Lagrange's mean value theorem, we get f dash 1 f of -1 is equal to less or equal to 12. It is minus and -3 implies f of -1 less or equal to 9. It is our equation number 1. Then the second and the remaining interval -7 and 0, where we apply once again Lagrange's mean value theorem. So f of 0 minus f of -7 is equal to 0 minus of 7 divide is equal to f dash, once again it is say C2. That implies f of 0 minus of 3 divide 7 less or equal to also 2, as f dash x less or equal to 2. So we put easily that less or equal to 2, and it is shows f of 0 is equal to less or equal to 14 minus 3. That implies f of 0 less or equal to 11. This is our equation number 2. Now now the question asks f of -1 plus f of 0 is equal to what? Range is what? So f of, adding these two equation, f of -1 plus f of 0 less or equal to 9 plus 11 implies f of -1 plus f of 0 less or equal to 20. This shows the interval is, as we know, Lagrange's interval belongs to minus infinity to 20, it is shown. So we reached, and our interval is, and our range, so this range is f of minus 1 plus f of 0 is equal to range minus infinity to 20. That's all. So the range is that, and the option is option 3. So it is the full answer. That's all for today.